This looks so great. Thank goodness it wasn't load bearing.
Yeah.
Fabia is gonna be so happy about.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Our new pantry, perfect. It's a good sized pantry. Fridge, where the door used to be.
Islands coming. Cabinets are a day or two out still.
Okay.
But in the meantime, Miguel's gonna kick it into gear, get all this molding up.
It's looking really good, guys. It's looking very, very good. It's gonna be cute. We've got to get this kitchen looking fabulous for Fabia. These bright white cabinets will make the room feel so much lighter. And by selling the old kitchen cabinets and appliances, I was able to splurge on this high-grade quartz for the countertops, which I've decided to run up the wall for the backsplash as well. This looks so good.
Doesn't it though?
Yes.
Nice choice.
It looks so pretty. Fabia is going